Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Fun with Ananya. In today's video, I am going to give you an introduction on MIT App Inventor. So let's start. MIT App Inventor is used for creating apps. Before we move on, I would like to talk about AI Companion and Emulator. AI Companion and Emulator is used for running the app. Either is fine. You can install the AI Companion or the emulator. So let's see how to install the AI Companion.
In your Android device, go to your Play Store and then type MIT AI2 Companion and then click on Install. When it is installed, click on Open and click on Allow. When you open the AI Companion, you will see two things, which are Connect with Code and Scan QR code.
Let us explore how to open the MIT App Inventor. In a new tab, type MIT App Inventor. Click on the first link. This will take you to this page. I will give you the link of this website in the description box below. Click on Create Apps. Did you see that? Now we have learned how to open MIT App Inventor. Click here to start a new project. When you click here, you can see a dialog box. Now I am going to give a project name called Test 1. There are few restrictions of it. When I write here test space 1, it says project names cannot contain spaces. Test_1 will be used if continued. So basically there should be no spaces. And I am going to give OK so we can make a new project. Now let us talk about designer and block section. This is designer section. In designer section, you can see palette, viewer, components and properties. So what is palette? Palette is something you can drag and put it in the viewer section. This contains user interface, layout, media, drawing and animation, maps, sensors, social, storage, etc. Viewer shows how our app is looking. When you drag a component from palette section and then put in the viewer section, all the components will be visible that you have used in the component section. What is properties? Properties gives you a better designs of your component chosen. For example, I take a button. This button is normal. You can change its text, shape, height, width, etc. So let me change the text to click here. And you can see that it has changed over here when I changed the text over here. Now I hope you must have understand about the designer section. Designer section just shows you how your app will look like. Now let me move to the block section.
this is the designer and this is the block. So click on it. It is block based, so it's full of blocks. Block section decides how your app is going to act. Like when we click on the button, it should do something, right? So that is why the block section is used for. Like I take this from the control and I want to delete it. So I take this near the bin and it gets deleted. So let's try running our code. I have already guided you how to install AI Companion. Go ahead and open your AI Companion in your Android device. Click on Connect and you will see AI Companion. Click it. After doing that, in your Android device, you will see two options: connect with code and scan QR code. If you want to connect with code, in the white color message box, type the 6-character code which displays to you. In this case, it shows your code is OYZUBV. So I am going to type on it and then click on connect with code. Or if you want to scan this QR code, click on scan QR code and then scan it. After that, you can see the progress bar going on.
So this is how it looks like. When I click on it, it does not function because we haven't coded yet, as we have only done the designer section. So I'll be creating many apps like this. So we have to wait till that. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you liked my video, don't forget to share so that everybody knows about it. Bye.